Hey everybody, welcome to this new JavaScript course. I'm Ivan Gomez and I will be your instructor. I'm super glad to be joining you on this journey that you're just starting. And if you've been my student before, you know that my courses, they start from the absolute beginning, so you don't need any prior knowledge in JavaScript. All you need is some basic knowledge of HTML and CSS and you're good to go. If you think JavaScript is too complicated, if you've tried to learn it before and you had trouble, I promise you this time is going to be different. We are going to do a lot of real-life examples. There are a few lists of exercises. We are going to do a couple of projects, and by the end of the course, you will be very comfortable with writing code in JavaScript. Before we get started, I need you to download the course material. If you go to the right side of this video, right below the name of this lesson, you will find the zip file to download. Then you can just uncompress it on your desktop to make it easier to access. So I'm gonna do it right now to show you. So this is the file I've just downloaded from Udemy. I'm going to extract to my desktop. Here it is. Now if you want, you can delete the zip file. So just open the folder. And as you can see, we have many HTML files. Just click on any of them. If you're not seeing this Google Chrome icon, I suggest you make Google Chrome the default program for HTML files. You can do it by right-clicking on the file and then choosing Open With. Then go to Choose Another App. Then you can just choose Google Chrome from the list and check this box that says always use this app to open HTML files. Then every time you click these files, they are going to open in Google Chrome. So here it is. This is the written course material, so everything we talk from now on is going to be here. You can come back here if you have any doubt. If you go down, you can see that you have this index where you can easily find all the lessons from the course. You can click on them. I have a lot of coding examples where you can easily copy. So this material is for you. And the best thing about it is not only the written content, but this is also going to be our playground in this course. So if you go to Visual Studio Code and go to Open Folder, then you can open this folder that you just downloaded. So here we have all the HTML files. What we are going to do here is apply JavaScript on these pages. So we are going to use these files not only to study, but we are also going to write a lot of JavaScript code and interact with these pages. If you go down here, you can see that we have a few lists of exercises. So I'm going to click in this list of exercises. As you can see, you are going to do all the exercises here. So this course is going to be 100% dynamic. So now that you downloaded the course material and you have the first lesson open on Google Chrome and all the folder open on Visual Studio Code, we are ready to get started. Don't forget that you have some tools at your disposal to make your learning experience the best possible. So here in the video player, you can turn on and off captions and transcript. These are auto-generated, so they're not 100% accurate, but if you need them, they can be very helpful. If you think I'm going too slow, you can try to increase the speed of the video. You can try it in maybe 1.5 or 1.75. I personally like to watch courses in 1.5. Once you get used to it, it's really easy to understand and you can finish the course way faster. If you think I'm going too fast, on the other hand, you can try maybe 0.75, 0.5. So you have all these speeds to learn at your own pace. If you're going through the course and you see something interesting, you can leave a note and then you can see all your notes here. Something else that is important to say, if you're watching a video and all of a sudden the screen gets a bit blurry, this is because the quality of the video is automatically set. So if this happens to you, you can go here to settings and just force the quality to 720p. Maybe it's going to take a bit more time for the video to load, but you won't get the blurry screen. Last but not least, from time to time, Udemy is going to ask you to leave a review for this course. It's really important to me that you take your time and leave not only a number of stars, but write something. Just tell me what do you like the most about this course and why other students should take it. This is really helpful. This is going to help me reach more students, so I would really appreciate your help on this. So that was all I wanted to say for now. We are ready to start learning JavaScript. So in the next video, we are going to talk what is JavaScript and why we should learn it. We are also going to write our first lines of code. So I'll see you in the next video.